Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
This is khakra, friends. The crispy, crunchy, anytime Gujarati snacks as served in many restaurants. Like this, for example, or like this. I'm sure you must have seen khakra in many shapes, including the bowl-like shape that I am showing you now. Many restaurants serve it with liquor, hot drinks, others on the salad counters, and even as snacks or munches. Crispy, crunchy, it really is. And now let me present to you 4 methods to make diabetic friendly Masala Methi Khakhra. Crispy, crunchy and anytime Gujarati snacks, famous, loved the world over. Now wheat flour, that's what we take first. Gram or chickpea flour, that is the second one. Cumin powder, pink rock or Himalayan salt or any natural salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili flakes or powder, mango powder, sun-dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, peanut oil and a little water, warm, and mix the ingredients. No, more water is required to knead the flour and more water. So a total of 30 ml was used. Knead into a very stiff and hard dough, cover and set aside till to be used. Look, that's how hard it should be. And shape into equal sized balls, sprinkle flour and flatten or roll them flat. Very even and very thin. Look, this is how thin it should be, or even more thinner if you can roll it. So, now when done, aag lagao, and let's start with the hot plate or tawa. This is the safest, common and traditional method. Now place the flattened raw khakra to be cooked. When the khakra begins to change color and bubbles of steam are formed, press them down. Don't allow these bubbles to come up. This is most important. Press them down, and when the side is firm, flip. There, that is what it should look like. Now flip and continue with pressing the bubbles and khakra downwards, and a time will come when the khakra will become stiffer. There, flip again and continue. Now when done, switch off the flames, remove and allow the khakra to lose its heat before serving, and this is how crispy, crunchy khakra must be. When done, now it is ready to be served. But wait on. Now for the second method, that is kadai flip method. Now take a kadai without handles and set the kadai with its convex or dome side upwards and place the khakra to be cooked on it. And again, as earlier, when the bubbles start to rise, press them down. Do not allow them to come up. Now, this is very risky, extremely dangerous and risky. Be very careful. Now, when that side is done, flip the kadai with the convex side upwards and again continue pressing the bubbles as they appear on the khakra. Be very careful, you can burn yourself. That is why it is extremely dangerous. Now when done, remove and allow it to lose its heat and serve when it is cool. There, crispy enough. Well, now for the third method, that is again kadai flip method. Here the khakra goes in, and the kadai here in the beginning was with the concave side upwards. Now when the side is done, flip the kadai with the convex side upwards and place the khakra on that. Continue as we had done earlier. Do not allow the air bubbles to rise, and when done, there, it's done. There, crisp enough. Now how to make the khakra bowl. Now for this, a kadai is placed with its concave or depression side upwards, and remember, this is the method number 4, also known as flip khakra and not kadai method, which is again dangerous and risky. So be careful. Now as usual, flatten and roll the ball of dough and place carefully inside the concave or the depressed side of the kadai. Now wait till the color changes, and when it does, so do the bubbles start forming. Now quickly press them down and make sure that none of them rise. And in the meantime, the khakra goes drier and firmer. And now carefully release the sides from the kadai and flip. Yes, it's going to come up like a dome, and press it down slowly, carefully. There, when done, flatten the rising bubbles once again and continue till the khakra is done. Switch off the flame. Allow the khakra to remain inside the kadai till very firm, and when done, allow to cool and hold its shape as a bowl. Now serve as such or accompany it with any sauce, dip, chutney, salad, peanut masala or non-alcoholic drinks like tea, coffee, aerated drinks, juice, alcoholic drinks. But do treat all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.